Hello everyone, in this video I show you how to make a break of this shape. The key point is how to draw a vector in this. You can see it's almost a hex shape and with a special corner at here. So three of them can join together and without seams. Okay, so let's start. We'll use Inkscape to do this. And Inkscape is a very powerful vector editor. We can draw vectors freely in this software, and especially it's a free software, so you can get it without paying money. Okay, so first we use this create spiral. So we drag like this. Maybe yours are not like this. It's something like this. And make it thicker so you can see it more clearly. It's okay. We just need it to be something like this. It's no need to be accurate. So if you make it this, it's okay, and you make this, it's also okay. So we make something about this. Okay, then I draw a line. Click. I hold Control key to make it vertical, and click again. And then I right click, so I get a line, a vertical line. Then I select this, move it here, and then I click here again. So you can see the arrows changed. So now I can rotate it around this anchor. Okay, then I move it until it magnets to this line. You can see there's a red color cross. Okay, so now I Control D to duplicate this. I drag it to the other end of this line and do a mirror and mirror at this. Then I drag it and make it magnet again. So now I need to join these three lines together. I press Control K. Okay, so I press Control K to make them join together. Okay, so now it's a one vector. Okay, so now I Control D again, or you can find it in the Edit and Duplicate. Short key is Control D. Okay, then I drag it away, and I want to rotate it. So here in the side, let's get this transform. Shift Control M. If you don't have this, you can press these three buttons to get it out, or you can find it from the object and transform. Okay, whatever. Now we can select the rotate and 60-degree the anti-clock rotation and apply. Okay, then I Control D and apply again. Okay, so now I have these three lines ready. Now I can drag this one and make it magnet to this, and I drag this one, magnet to this. Okay, so now I get this ready, and now I click this, Control D to duplicate, and then I move it here, and then I click here, and Control D to duplicate, and move it here, and this one, Control D, and move it here. Okay, so now I get this vector ready. I can press Control K again to make it as one vector. So now I can save it as the SVG format. This is default format of the Inkscape, and this format is also an open format. It also can be opened by Adobe Illustrator or CorelDRAW or some other popular vector drawing programs. Okay, and if you want, you can use the Save As, and you can see there's a large list here, and there are many popular formats such as PDF and EPS and DXF and PLT. For this, you can use it and import them to your favorite CAM software, such as AutoCAD, Aspire, or some other softwares. So then we can use the vectors for your work, and we can cut the wood piece or acrylic piece in this shape and assemble them together. And you can even use different colors on them to get your own design. You can add some patterns, icons, or logos on this to make it your own design. And you can put it on your table or on your wall for different usage. Okay, thank you for watching. I'm Liu Xin in China. See you next time. Bye.